Welcome to Trump Breaking News Network, your daily source for up-to-date news on the political scene of Donald Trump, his presidency, American politics and conspiracies. Please subscribe to receive notice of our daily updates. Also share with your friends and your social media. We encourage you to like our videos and give your comments.
This is TBNN.
The Trump admin just clobbered the 9th Circuit in latest DACA fight, and it was beautiful. The Department of Justice will appeal directly to the Supreme Court after a federal judge in California ordered the Trump administration to maintain the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, an Obama-era amnesty policy that extends legal status to 800,000 illegal aliens who arrived in the U.S. as children. The department will bypass the 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, which has jurisdiction in the case, and appeal directly to the High Court, a rare procedural move. It defies both law and common sense for DACA, an entirely discretionary non-enforcement policy that was implemented unilaterally by the last administration after Congress rejected similar legislative proposals and courts invalidating the similar DACA policy, to somehow be mandated nationwide by a single district court in San Francisco, Attorney General Jeff Sessions said in a statement announcing the appeal. "We are now taking the rare step of requesting direct review on the merits of this injunction by the Supreme Court so that this issue may be resolved quickly and fairly for all the parties involved," Sessions added. Judge William Alsup concluded the program's rescission was based on a flawed legal premise, rendering the action arbitrary, capricious, an abuse of discretion, and, otherwise not in accordance with law. Alsup's order does not require the administration to process new applicants for the program. It does not appear that the administration will ask the justices to stay Alsup's order while they consider the appeal. Obtaining a stay would be difficult, as the government would have to show the order inflicts irreparable harm. This leaves the government in a somewhat awkward position, arguing simultaneously that Alsup's order was urgent enough to appeal directly to the Supreme Court, but not urgent enough to ask for immediate relief. The Trump Justice Department's latest move did not come as a surprise to California Attorney General Xavier Becerra, who said Monday he expected an appeal. Still, Becerra wanted to make it clear he would continue to fight the DOJ's efforts. "We are preparing, and once again we believe that we can prove the Trump administration acted arbitrarily and capriciously. If Donald Trump wants to change the law, he shouldn't break the law," he said, according to the Sacramento Bee. "In a democracy you don't do it this way. Maybe if you're king you can make changes without having to follow the law, but not in America." The appeal comes as President Donald Trump is attempting to negotiate a DACA deal with congressional Democrats to avoid a government shutdown. The University of California system brought the suit challenging DACA's termination. The system is led by Janet Napolitano, the former Secretary of Homeland Security who presided over DACA's original promulgation during the Obama administration.
This has been the Trump Breaking News Network. Please subscribe and share to stay up to date on the latest news about our president. Be informed.